Okay guys, if you have need a date in this Valentine Day, this restaurant is make sure you got the local Canadian date in this coming Valentine's Day. Is this a promo like this? So if you are interested in find a new date on this coming Valentine's Day, there's a chance to make a date Canadian local here in our community. So that's all guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel for the issue of new local days for this coming Valentine's Day. Okay, see you guys. That's all after eating a take out a jambalaya fettuccine in this restaurant at Canada, Saskatchewan. So see you guys. That's all.